changing your time zone automatically in Windows 11. Let me show you how that's done. Start by going to Settings, and the easiest way to do that is click the Start button and then select Settings. You can also use a shortcut key, and the combination is the Windows key and the I for information. That also opens up Settings. Once Settings is open, go to Time and Language. Once that opens, select Date and Time. And so we don't get too far ahead of ourselves, there's a much faster way to get to this setting. We'll close this and I'll show you how to get there in a hurry. On the extreme right of the taskbar, you'll see the time and the date. If you do a right-click on this, you can simply select Adjust Date and Time. So let's do that. And as you can see, that gets us to exactly the same place, except in a much simpler way. Once you've gotten here, you want to select Set Time Zone Automatically. Make sure that's turned on. I'd also suggest that at this time, since you're already here, set the time automatically. Why should you have to worry about it? Let it take care of that for you. Nice thing about this is once that's set, your time will always be set automatically depending on your location, and you'll always be at the right time zone automatically. Just that simple. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.